better understand how candidates approach problem solving, even if they struggle to explain complex ideas verbally. Right now, understanding a candidate's true problem-solving skills can be tough, especially when their communication isn't clear. With Virtual Whiteboard, you can work directly with candidates, watching how they solve problems visually and interactively. Simply click on the whiteboard icon to instantly access a shared workspace. Within this space, both participants can sketch, draw, or outline solutions together in real time using various tools such as shapes, arrows, and text. This whiteboard serves as a bridge for communication gaps. For instance, if a candidate struggles to explain a concept verbally, they can now sketch out their approach. This enables you to clearly see their thought process, step by step. This makes technical interviews more effective, as you see their logic and thought process in action. Get a comprehensive view of a candidate's abilities so you can make better, more informed hiring choices. Transform your technical interviews today. Explore Virtual Whiteboard with WeCP and see the difference.